Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. Really just a quick update to just confirm what I did highlight in yesterday's video, that another low is still very much likely. You know, we focus on another low as long as the price doesn't break above the 1.63 cent level. This has been the critical resistance level, not only structural resistance, but also Fibonacci resistance. And most recently, the price touched that area. Okay, as you can see there on the chart, touched it, but got rejected. And that is exactly why these Fib levels are so meaningful. And I don't have a very reliable micro count. Honestly, I don't think there is one that is very likely. It's just increasingly, it's just, extremely messy what we've got here. I mean, best I could tell you is that, we have a 1-2-1-2 setup here. This was a 3-4-5. Yeah, and that basically we get another couple of lows, but this is not reliable due to, well, just how this chart looks, right? I mean, best I can tell you, so let's just put that onto the chart, that this here is a 1, this here is a 2. Then we've got another 1-2 setup. I'm not going to label that 3-4-5. So this could get, this could give us here wave 3, then another 4 and another 5. So that means that we're not done yet with this move to the downside. I wouldn't be surprised if this wave count changes, but that also shows why we are using the 50% retracement level, because what we're likely dealing with here is the third wave still. And the fourth wave, the fourth wave is measured against the 50% Fib level. So that's sort of what we're doing here. And again, that's why it reacted to it and didn't break above it. So this is likely going to complete a third wave. Then we might get another lower high and another lower low, and then we have a chance to reverse. It, to be honest, already now has a chance to reverse. As I said, there are many distortions on lower time frames, but obviously I try to give you the most accurate viewpoint at any time. So the resistance level and basically signal level to the upside is very clear. You can see that the GALA price is moving here in this descending price channel. And in this descending price channel, we have additional targets, downside targets, that we already calculated weeks, if not months ago, actually. We already talked about these prices here, I think in August. I would need to look it up. I think so. Yeah, probably. Because we put these onto the chart and the price has reacted to them. Shows how meaningful they are. The next target to the downside would be 1.18 cents and then 1.04. I literally don't have anything below that level, but we are tracking obviously the structure here to indicate when a reversal is happening. At the moment, not yet. At least it's not evident in the chart. In addition to that, the chart seems to be producing something that looks a bit similar to a bit of a double bottom there. Double bottoms are unreliable. They typically don't hold. They typically break down. We've just had that example on the dot chart. Dot also produced a double bottom, didn't hold, of course. I often say they often don't hold. If they hold, they always look impressive on the chart, but they typically don't, okay? And then eventually they break down. So that's what I would expect here. Would change my view with a break above 1.63 cents. I'm very much watching for bottoming formations and bottoming structures in this region, but it's just not very evident at this stage. So yeah, we keep the focus on lower. We go with the trend, okay? And we know that we are probably here towards the end of a downtrend, but obviously GALA shows or has some problems looking at the larger time frame count that I showed you, I think, yesterday. So there are some concerns, of course, but yeah, let's see. First of all, we need a setup on a smaller time frame that would allow the price to move higher in this yellow, larger corrective ABC structure. We don't have that at this stage. That's my update about GALA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.